Well, all right, here we go. Baeza versus Tornado.
In the future, I want to try to get like all the stock icons downloaded so I can put them beside the player names.
Oh yeah.
Because as is right now, the layout looks really nice, but you can't tell who's who if you're like a new viewer.
Yeah. Well. There we go. Ryu having the gyro. Let's see what he does with it. Because like I know, because like you can do some crazy stuff with with the gyro when you're not R.O.B. Finally letting go. Let's see what he can do. Doing a quick foot.
Honestly, one of the smartest things you can do if you grab the top and you don't have like a good item game yourself is you just throw it up.
Yeah.
Because it flies really high and it falls really slow.
Yeah.
And he can't pull it out because it's already on the field.
Yeah, so he can no longer use it. But good combos coming out from Ryu. 25%. 41. Alright, let's see what R.O.B can do. Because right now Ryu just like controlling the close game. Oh. Quick air dodge. Good weight by Baeza. 52%. It's not undoable.
I just realized we're playing losers semis before we play winners finals, and it makes me really sad. I'm not fond of doing it like that way because then you have winners finals and immediate losers finals.
Yeah.
Which means whoever lost has to play again whether they want to or not.
Yeah. That's all good though.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna care. It's a weekly.
Alright, not gonna kill, but good damage. Only 30% away. He brought it pretty close. 20. And there we go. That's it.
That's a wrap.
Unfortunate for Tornado there, but he wasn't doing too bad.
Now he's got kind of big advantage. We can go whatever takes skills come along. He just needs to clean up some stuff. And game 2 should be really good for him.
Because like at the beginning of the game when he held the gyro, he held it for a little bit too long. Couldn't figure out what to do with it, and I think that kind of hurt him a little bit because he wasn't able to do any of his aerials to take out of things like, you know, an air or maybe a forward air. Because forward air is like what, 13, 12%? Yeah, 15. Look at that. Yeah. Ryu just like just gives percent about like just as good as Gen. Oh, good catch by Tornado. I love his up tilt. Little Rob's up tilt, he's just like, meh. Up tilt. He just sounds like, he just looks like he's saying.
Where's the roof?
Does the raise the roof and maybe another one? Not gonna play though, but still, decent percent, line it up. At the moment, they're both pretty much at kill percent if they get hit by the other one's thing. And there it is.
I think I mentioned it last set, but I don't think it came up. Baeza's really good at ledge trapping with the top. Because you got the top on the ledge, and it's actually covers pretty much everything. Because if they stay on the ledge, it stage spikes them. Normal get up with get up attack is gonna get beat out.
Yeah.
And I think what he's told me is the way you're facing is the way the top sends them.
The way that you're facing is the way that the top sends them. So if you're facing out away from the ledge, then you can run off and do it down there. But if you're facing towards the stage, then you can just go do what he did and do an up smash.
So you just like throw it down and you do like the foxtrot or whatever you want to call it. He's like dash, but just that one initial dash space.
Yeah.
And then just try the up smash, and it's gonna hit them into you.
Good job beating out the neutral B, but let's see. Oh, I thought good conversions by Baeza. Big damage.
He was waiting. He knew it was coming. Ooh, the shield break.
Yep, that's the forward tilt.
That's a wrap.
Wow. That was like an almost full shield too. Alright,
By the way,
1-1.
I think this is like the second or third set on stream that's gone 1-1. I think everything's been a sweep so far.
Yeah. No? Because I had a couple of 2-1s.
Like mostly everything.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
Oh, and also, still not sure if it's best of 3 or best of 5, but Tornado usually counterpicks to Suzaku. So unless it's like for this specific matchup, I think that would imply it's best of 5.
Yeah.
Might have wanted to save it for his next counterpick. But then Baeza took him here, so it might just be the matchup thing. I don't know.
Good, good.
Goes for it again.
That was amazing coverage right there. He got the neutral get up and the roll. The only thing he could probably do is like drop down, get up, and grab the gyro.
Yeah, or I don't know if it covers ledge hop.
Huh?
I don't know if that setup covers ledge hop, but it should cover everything else.
I think it would. Just because it's like a long-lasting hitbox on the ledge there.
Yeah, I just don't know if that would hit you like while you're jumping. Is kind of my thought.
Looking for this kill here, but Tornado is.
Yeah, they're fist bumping, so
That's a wrap.
That's the one.
everything here on out should be best of 5 though.